gonna try to get you your cell phone as quickly as I can.
That would be great. From somebody.
Gosh.
I'm here every week.
I wouldn't be your phone, but
hey y'all,
I just need you to
I almost finished, but
give me
I'm watching Sistas.
Oh, she's going crazy.
Today's Friday, and I missed the episode.
I'm gonna tell her the truth.
I am watching it. I'm watching it.
It's not my kid, bro. I said it 1,000 times in there. How you think she's gonna take that? She'll be fine.
Oh, this is the finale too.
The
finale.
Trust me, y'all. This should be fun.
I see it on Instagram that it's coming back.
Please do me a favor and go get my phone. Go back
June.
Well, you gonna put the lawyer suit in there?
March,
well,
April,
you got
May,
the suit on. You
June.
might as well do something with it. All right, bro. I appreciate you.
That's a long motherfucking time.
Appreciate you.
No, that's a long time.
I hate this place.
Maurice and this boy. Oh my god.
Come on in here, boy.
He right by the door too. Like he knew he was opening it.
We're just about to start raining. Thank you, Maurice, seriously. You can stay here for one night.
Listen.
Thank you.
This man tried to kill him, tried to rob him after they had sex. Like the nerve.
No, I just thought I'd be staying with you.
Look at him.
Stop that. I know what you're doing. Genie. You think since I'm a big girl that you can
take advantage,
use me and take my money?
Yeah, take advantage.
No. Plus, you gave her pay. Remember? I'm with you. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cute.
Listen, from Jamaica, I'm not
really
going to the air. That's why it's not.
What you mean? Putting the damn gun in my face and robbing me?
Yeah, forgive too easily. I mean, forgiveness is fine. But this right here,
4 days clean.
Let a man or one of my friends try to rob me and put a gun in my face.
Doing good,
Bitch. What?
Great.
You're dead to me. Like the fuck. I would never. You would never ever see my face again.
I don't want you here at all. If I leave, I will get arrested.
Okay.
I hear you.
How you see?
Thank you.
Make sure. You see this shit I'm talking about.
Yes. He's the one that said to let you stay.
If you do me wrong, make sure you don't need me again. Because this shit right here is
sure.
That's the meaning of that.
Try that. See how that goes.
This is an example of it. This man trying to rob him, rob him at the house, and rob him at the bank where he work at, and then he need him after. He got locked up. The nerve.
Thank you, Maurice. And don't come near my damn door.
Nigga, you gotta change shit. You just want help. You just want to use the man.
I really shouldn't be doing this shit.
You really shouldn't.
But I'm glad you are.
You really shouldn't.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. I'm pissed.
I
don't like that. I don't like people take advantage of people.
Sure, I don't want your nasty funky ass on my sofa.
You know what you're doing.
Undress in the bathroom.
Oh, my bad.
In the bathroom, Ivory, you know what the hell you're doing. I know. You like? I'm not doing this with you. Come on, man. You know you like it. Go to the bathroom.
Look at him. I would have kicked his ass off. Pick too damn much.
Cute. Maurice.
I'm like, how many minutes into this show?
Please go.
It's almost finished. I got 9 minutes left.
Please go to the bathroom.
This nigga took his whole clothes off in front of him. Oh, he got his boxes on.
This ain't what breaks it off.
You don't listen. You're looking at him like he's disgusted with him.
I'm going. You like?
I'm really growling. I'm hungry. I ain't eat since 3:30.
No, you like it. I'll get a shower just in case. I'm not fucking with you. Just in case you want to come and make sure your boy's clean. And close my damn door. No.
See? This nigga.
Shit. What the hell am I?
You got any wash rags?
It is a washcloth, and they're under the sink.
Okay. I don't see him.
This man is annoying.
Wanna come and help me?
No.
I don't know where the towel's at. I live here.
Under the fucking sink, please.
Come on.
Yo, you really getting Maurice mad though.
Use your damn hands because I'm not coming in there.
Fine. I do my best.
You do that.
Okay, Maurice. Door will be open, just let you know.
Go!
Raspberry lemonade. Just like Pop Pop used to make. Except this is raspberry lemonade.
Calcium to
Yo,
help
today the
build
weather was
muscle and stay
so
long.
nice.
And get a Chloe Kim mini snowboard.
I came out of work 5:30 and it was so nice outside. I mean, it was 70 degrees today.
Whoever you are, you have a style.
And I'm like, yo, that's nice.
With top brands
But tomorrow's gonna rain.
and the inspiration you need.
Yep.
So
I mean,
you
tomorrow.
can own your style.
I do laundry tomorrow.
Come on, kids.
I ain't do no laundry since I came back from Jamaica.
These video games.
Man, State Farm has rates to fit
I
your
did laundry
budget.
before I left with the bag right here. Still didn't put it away or nothing.
Like a good neighbor.
Any year, any condition.
I need to eat some. I need to eat some dinner. I didn't eat dinner yet. I was eating some watermelon.
That's 22 with the guys in trading. Any year,
Yo, I
any
don't
condition.
know where is my flat iron.
So this whole time I thought I'd been my flat into Jamaica and it was under my mattress.
Bro, I don't think it's weird how the hotels always have blow dryers and not flat irons. Oh, it's back. Hold on. Put it back up.
What's going on? Huh? Why you say it like that? Oh, shit.
Water.
This first, Andy, now you. Leave if you want. No, come on in. Take a load off.
I don't know. I don't know if that baby is Zach. Like Karen.
What's going on?
I like Karen, but
Not good, baby.
I feel like she be aggy, bro. Like she be
What
annoying.
is it? He's sick. I see. Tell me. Let him go. I know that we had bad times. I know that. So why can't I let him go? Why can't I move on?
3 years is a very long time to be with someone.
Right.
And, you never been with anyone that long?
I know.
Been there,
So it's gonna take some time.
but I did let it go. It did take some time.
But how? I mean, and maybe I'm not supposed to, because now we have a baby finally coming. I have to see him. I want to see him. I don't want to see that woman, but I want to see him.
15 months?
Right, yes, I don't care, okay? I don't like the bitch. I don't. I don't.
But you don't.
What I'm supposed to like? I'm supposed to be friends with him? Talking about, oh, I had all this patching up to do. Yeah, well, try carrying him. And why y'all so close to her, huh? Why?
I'm not Karen.
That's wrong. It's all wrong, Danny.
Okay, Karen, can I remind you of all the hoes?
I remember.
All right, all the shit, all that
Yes,
shit.
I remember. I have not forgotten I was there. Thank you very much.
So can we not just remember the good then? All the love? Let's remember that.
How can he just turn around and be so happy, though?
That's meant for you.
Some people, they just got
Okay,
that.
Danny. Please don't do that. Don't give me that.
What did I do? What did I not do?
I came because you're a friend who tells the truth.
We all tell the truth.
Yeah, I need a friend like
No,
that.
but you tell it without giving a shit about my feelings. So, tell me.
That's me. I don't care.
He's moved on
Yep.
and he's happy.
Yep.
You really believe that?
She been delusional, bro.
I do.
You don't think he's trying to make me jealous like always?
Oh,
No.
wait, no, Zach. Oh, yeah. He's definitely trying to rub your nose in it.
Of course, but at the same time, he's happy with her.
You think so?
Yes.
Listen, I look at him And whatever the hell she's doing, he's loving it, okay? Like when we in Preston. Sometimes people just aren't right for each other. So I'll let him go.
And go be happy, girl, with somebody else.
I know.
Of course you're gonna
I'm not
still
ready
love
to do
him.
that.
But you're gonna have to.
No, I don't. I love him, and he loves me. He said it.
Yeah, he could still love you, girl, but he don't want to be with you.
What are you gonna do?
That's the
I'm
difference,
going
Karen.
actually. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna get him back.
What does that mean?
It means I'm gonna get him back.
She gonna get him
Okay,
back.
I'm
Oh
telling
my
you.
gosh.
You have to let
He
this go.
moved on, Karen. He
He's in
told
love.
you.
This is not gonna work.
Danny, you don't know him like I do. You know him, but you don't know him like I do.
Karen,
I'm gonna go,
She
Danny.
be, yeah, I like her, but she being delusional.
you wanted me to tell the truth, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So let him go.
Hey, Danny, you just go.
No. No.
This is listen. I mean, we all are like that, but some people just be stubborn. Like,
It's gone.
come get advice from the friend that you
Karen,
said
I think your hormones
she's honest.
might be a little out of whack.
Okay, don't do that, Danny. Don't act like I don't know what I'm saying.
I keep it real, but yet
But I
you
don't know if you hear
can't
yourself.
take the advice that she giving you.
Please, just
Girl, bah.
what?
Come over here. You blow my high. And you want me to tell you the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm telling you the truth. Let it go. Because I will go in there. And I will find a piece of paper somewhere in here. And I will write down all the shit he's done.
Yeah, but he's changing, Danny.
But not for you,
You
Karen.
believe that?
Yes, he is. I said it.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not for you.
But for her.
Yeah. That's a hard pill to swallow, but damn.
Same old that.
Same old that.
I'm gonna go.
Sorry. I'm not going to say what you
I don't
want to
understand
hear.
why she won't.
You need to let this go.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at that. She came and asked her advice. He gave her something. She still don't like it, and she getting an attitude, and she left. Like, girl. Danny, like, I'm not gonna tell you what you want to hear. Period. Don't tell her what you want to hear. She being a real friend, but she better not. Oh, Fatima. Fatima don't play. Fatima about to. Yeah, she don't give a fuck. She.
What the? You say y'all learn. What are you doing, Fatima? Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, hey, I'm about to call the police.
Oh yeah, you gonna need them because that's your
Fatima. Fatima, stop.
She knows you.
Just wait, okay?
Put Zach in jail.
Please.
Asshole.
You done picked up for the last time.
Please, just wait, okay? I didn't do nothing to him, I swear. Fatima! Fatima!
Money in the house.
For real. Fatima, stop.
What the f are you doing?
What the hell?
Gary. What the fuck is Gary doing in his house?
Now watch days dream
See,
for your
listen.
curls. New Elvi
You
Dream
can't
Mix
trust
Curls
Gary.
Micellar Shampoo with hyaluronic acid.
Shit.
A sulfate-free formula for
I don't
deep
trust
clean
him.
without
I
stripping.
don't like it.
It's not a dream anymore.
I don't like
Elvi
it.
Dream Mix Curls from Mario
But honestly, he look good as hell in the show. I don't like it.
Wipes. Why the waste? Garnier Micellar
Just
Cleansing
because I
Water
hear you treat
with
Andy,
reusable
but in the
eco-cap.
show?
Micelles work like a
And
magnet.
in real life,
Now leave less
I
mascara
mean, I
residue
ain't
than
in real
leave-in
life, you
wipes
know,
with no wipe
social
waste.
media.
Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water
He
and
look hella
reusable
good.
eco-pad by Garnier naturally.
I'm really trying to comb on these knots out of this damn hair, and it's taking
community
forever.
knows no bounds. Gather with more friends, experiencing places unknown, and become part of a family
All right.
that knows the best adventures are the ones we share.
Y'all still use pink lotion? I thought it was a Dollar Tree and I had to buy it.
It'll be one you never
I used to use pink lotion when I had a perm. Oh my god, that was the best lotion to use in hair.
Right now, get
But I'm like,
0%
let me get
financing for
use some of this
72
on
months
here.
on select 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee models.
Put it. Add some
Ever
water.
notice how stiff clothes can feel rough on your
So
skin?
my curls could be
It's because they
defined.
rub against you, creating friction. And your clothes rub against you all day.
I just did the black
For
hair.
softer clothes
The
that
black one
regenerate
I
your
would
skin,
have worked today.
try down and free and
Look at it.
gentle. Pour into the rinse dispenser, and Downy will
But this one
soften
is
their
4
clothes
braids.
without dyes or perfumes.
I feel like I
The
come
towel
up
wash
too
with
much of this
Downy
hair.
is
Ooh,
softer, fluffier, and gentler on your skin.
Oh,
The National
damn.
Eczema Association.
Listen, AliExpress played me. Cause I swear, when I bought it, when I was ordering it, this shit says, was it Remy? Oh no, it was the B one, the B here, like name of it, Brazilian or something like that, and it's natural. This shit is not natural. Oh, I think this fucking nail off. I don't want one nail. This is not natural. This is synthetic. I don't like synthetic hair. So when it came, I'm like, y'all see when I was on the video, I'm like, what is this? This is not what I ordered. But see, I come out some of the hair, looking about the hair, yo. You know what it means? No, I'm curly wig, my short curly wig.
Motorcycle insurance at Geico.com.
You want that curly wig?
I don't want you to get your hopes up.
I understand.
Next on Sistas.
There's no way that
Jen,
it's...
I did the math.
And I looked at it.
Science is science. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. You're drunk.
It's not my kid.
She can't just go to court and claim this shit.
Get the out of here. Just let me sleep with you so that you can put a gun to my damn head.
Infused with nourishing serum and almond oil, Media essentially enriched lotion helps lock in goodness for
But yeah, what I was saying.
skin. Because
Yeah, the hair. I need.
It could turn into an all-nighter. For goodness that keeps going, nourish on with Media.
I need a natural hair wig. Or maybe I should just wear my natural hair. It's the fact that I don't know. I mean, I can watch videos, but I'll be lazy, to be honest. I'm probably watching the video.
I've got wrinkles on top of wrinkles.
You know what? Oh, I'm gonna do some braids in my hair. Sometimes I'm gonna do it myself. Put some braids in my hair. But I look tired. Listen, I'm up for 6 o'clock this morning. See, I'm tired. I'm very tired. I don't know what time it is.
Rise to the challenge with the Honda
Time it is.
Passport Trail.
Yeah, I should start wearing my natural hair. No, I'm gonna do braids. Sometimes I'm getting some braids. I'm gonna do my damn self. I'm gonna try. If I can't do it, then I will get it done. Or I'll just wear my real hair. I don't do no damn wig in summertime. This shit's what? At least it's gonna be a short wig. Short curly wig. The long one, like these. Oh, I'm not wearing these. I can't look at so much I hear the back side. I'm so mad. Yo, I was so mad I didn't have my flat iron in Jamaica. Even though I was using water, but the bacteria gets frizzy too quick, man. But yeah. Alright, I just wanted to did a little sister thingy while watching a reaction thingy. What is? I watched most of the show without thing. Yo, Beyonce cousin, the girl that working in a salon with Karen, she's hilarious. She's made for this show. They better not take her off. She is funny as hell. Well, she wasn't in this. She wasn't in this episode. So it's coming back in June though, right? I saw that on Instagram. That's what it says. It's coming back on June. I'm gonna watch some movies. They have a lot of black movies, good black movies on here on BET. Well, maybe watch some Tyler Perry House of Pain. I love that show. House of Pain. Alright. Take this off. Here it is right there too. Tomorrow Saturday, I'm gonna be watching. Oh, after I do laundry, all I edit is a video. The catamaran video. I'm gonna put it up. I really wanted to put it up tomorrow, but I was at work. Listen, that video was so long. It was like 2 hours of me recording. I did not know I was recording so much, so I gotta cut it down to like at least 45 minutes because I don't want to put up like that's a long ass vlog. I don't want to put it up. And it was too much music playing, so yeah, that's another thing. Because it was a reggae cruise, so enough music there clear. Look like people long stocking. But yeah, I want to go to Dubai, but I don't know yet. But anyways, today there, today Friday 18, just turned 9 o'clock. See you guys in the next video. This little crap. See you on my next video. Bye.